Hello, good afternoon. Today's topic is the introduction to C Sharp continued practicals. Last time I taught about how to create C Sharp file and compile and run it, how to use the Visual Studio, the variables, data type, and execute it. Today I want to continue this topic with the PPT. So I am sharing the screen with the PPT. Please learn that and practice at home so you can learn quickly C Sharp. That is a advanced web programming subjects in Tybscit-V Sem. Introduction to C Sharp topic. Thank you. I'm sharing the screen. See. Now first I just show you part wise C Sharp programming. That is a part one introduction. This is presented by 3-Bipin Vaity, HOD of BSIT, Dr. Awp-Practical. Today we are learning basic structure of C Sharp program, what is namespace and purpose of main method. See, this is a simple program we are written over there. Namespace declaration is there using system, class program, static void main, that is a main method. We are writing the console line, that is console.writeLine method. Welcome to program technology that you already learned in the last section, right? Using system declaration, namespace declaration using system indicates that you are using the system namespace. Namespace is a use to organize your code and is a collection of classes, interface, structs, enums, and delegates. Main method is an entry point into your applications. So I'm just giving you practical. Starting the Visual Studio 2010, you know how to start. Click on Start, All Program, Microsoft Visual Studio 2010, and then click on Microsoft Visual 2010 Ultimate exe file. Now click on New Project File, New Project. Then click on Visual C Sharp Console Application. That is the first program. File, New Project. Click on Visual C Sharp Console Applications. Then type their first program or whatever names of the file. Then location of the file where you want to save and solutions name and click on OK. See, this is the solutions explorer program.cs using system and by default namespace. First program, it is your file name. Program.c# is your class file, C# file, and static void main method. Inside that we are writing the console dot. If you want to write any comments, you can write slash console write line, just like console write line. Okay, it will not execute in your output. Now console, see, that is object dot write line, it is a method, then is equal to in the bracket we are writing the method statement. In the quotes, whatever display part is there, welcome to C# program, and each and every statement close with the semicolon. If you want to stop that screen of output, you can write console.read key and then semicolon. This read key is a method to stop the output screen area. Now you can run with the F5 or click on the play button and see the output. What statement we are displaying over there? Welcome to C# program. It is a console.writeLine method display that statement. Okay. Now next part is there, reading and writing to console. How to accept the value from the user and show the value to the user. That is again presented by 3-Bipin Vaity, HOD of BSIT, Dr. Awp-Practical. Here we are reading from the console, writing to the console, Two ways to write to console. One of the concatenation, joining the two string, or placeholder syntax, most preferred. This is the syntax over there. See the program, namespace declaration using system, saying class program, static void main. First of all, we are prompting to user, so that we are giving the comment that prompt the user for his name. When you are giving the comment, it shows how we are writing the program. So statement is there, console.writeLine, please enter your name. We want to store the value from the user, so we are declaring the variable, string username is equal to console.readLine. That means we are reading the line, reading the value from the user, and it stores in the username variable. Then we are joining the string with that name, so concatenate name with the hello world and print console.writeLine, the bracket hello. Hello is a normal string what we want to display, plus concatenations operator, plus, and then your variable name. If you do want to use the placeholder, that is most preferable, console.writeLine hello, and then after that we are using curly bracket. Inside that we are using values, that is 0, that is called value, and string value goes, and then plus username. So whatever values are there, it will some placeholder. This is for placeholder, curly bracket and 0. This is your placeholder syntax. So this way also we can display the statement whatever accepted by the user. Okay. So I just show you the output again. I am close the project, go on the file, new project, again Visual C Sharp, console applications, click on OK. Now here, first of all, console dot write line, and tell the user enter your name. Then we are using one variable string, username is equal to, and read the line, console dot read line. Okay. After that, after reading, we want to display that username with our string, so we can use the concatenation method first, console dot write line with string hello, plus, that is concatenation operator, and variable name user name. And after that, again we want to stop the output screen area, so we can use the console.read key. Now see the output. I'm just executing the program. F5. Enter your name. The enter key. So it display with hello and BP. If you want to leave the one of the space between hello and BP, so we can again we can use the concatenations, or before the quotes we just leave the space. Otherwise, plus concatenation, again plus, that is called concatenation operator used to joining the two string. Is it clear? See now, clear? Okay, now you can understand about the how to extend the value from the user, how to read the line method, how to use the read line method. Clear? Now again, next way we can use the placeholder syntax also. Instead of console.writeLine, we can use the placeholder, just like we are using hello, and then curly bracket 0, curly bracket, and then after that plus and username. See the again output. Enter your name. Now it will display that, because yes, okay, hello, value, username. Right. Value should be there. Okay. Hello. username. Okay, this way also we can display the value. Enter username. Hello. Then curly bracket 0 and then comma username. Okay. Now run it. Yeah. This way we can display. We also displaying the hello and user. Yes, semicolon is not there. Now value is not there, right? Now I'm using the curly bracket 0 as the curly bracket. Now see the output. Okay, now I understood how to use the placeholder. You have to use the comma sign. So this is my mistakes. You have to, instead of you are using the concatenation operator, you can use the comma and you can show the value of the user. Next topic, continue. Part 3, built-in type in C#. Again presented by Bipin Vaity, HOD of BSCIT, Dr. Ambedkar Mahavidyalaya, Vasai West. Here we are learning different data type. Already we know about that data type in the C++ or Java. Boolean type, true or false. Integral types, as byte, byte, short, unshort, int, uint, long, ulong, char. Then floating types, float, decimal points. We can use the float or double decimal types. String type, and some of the escape sequence in C#. Already we know in the C++, just like /n/t, and some of the verbatim literal. First, they are showing just you the inside the program some of the variable we are declaring, and it shows the value of that variable. Different data types, built-in data types we are using over here. So this is a program related different data types. So we just copy that program and we go to the next file. Sorry, go in Visual Studio. We close the first program. We go to the new program, new project. Again, Visual C#, console applications, and here we are typing the built-in type. Okay. Then here we are using we are just contact programs. Okay, static void main. We are declaring the value, and then we are declaring the value bool. Bool is a boolean data type. Here we are declaring bool a is equal to true. Okay. Then integer I is equal to 0. Float decimal point. Then we are displaying the value. Console.writeLine, minimum value, int dot mean value is the inbuilt method, and max value, int dot max value. Then console.writeLine, display a. We are declaring the double. Yeah. See, float value we are declaring, we are writing backside f. Double value where we are declaring there is a more decimal points over there. So we are displaying that console.writeLine d, then j, that is float, and then after that console.read. And we run the program. Here we are just assigning the value, and okay, one of the declarations parts in the codes that is wrong. So we are clear because we have copied that program. That's why codes problem. So we have to use the codes, just 2 dots. Okay, now again we run the program and see the output minimum integer value. So that is integer value minimum and maximum that we can use it over there. True boolean value, double value, and float value. It shows over there. So how to assign the value? What is the use of built-in data type? Bool value should shows the trues and false. Integer value without decimal, any integers up to 214 million. Then after that, float value decimal point with some float values 1 into 2 raised to 38. Then after that, double value, and it shows that value with using here we are using inbuilt method int dot mean value int max value. It shows over here. Now you can got the output over there. Whatever value we are assigning, it shows that value. Okay, so this is a just program to how to declare the variable and how to use the built-in data type. Now next PPT, where we are showing the some built-in string type, how to declare the string variables. Okay, inside the same program we are declaring here string name is equal to /n /t, that is a escape sequence, where we are declaring the string numbers and we are declaring there 1 2 3, and /n it display on the next line, and see the output now. After that we can see there string value /n/t/n, so it displays the string value also. So we are declaring here built-in string type. The next verbatim literal. Verbatim literal is a string with an @ symbol. Prefix is an @ of hello. Just like that, @ is a symbol to prefix with the some of the locations or URL of the file. Verbatim literal makes escape sequence translate as a normal printable character to enhance readability. Just a practical example over there. Without verbatim literal, we can write that C:// program, that is the location of the file. It is a less readable, but with verbatim literal, @ in the code C:// program // and C# files. So this is better readable. That is called verbatim literal. Now you understood how to declare their literals and their built-in data type. Now next point is their common operator in C#. We have already learned in C++. I go through that directly, presented by Vipin Vaity, HOD of BSc, Dr. Awp-Practical, Mahadhyalaya, there are assignment operator, arithmetic operator, comparison operator, conditional operator, ternary operator, and null forecasting operator. Assignment operator, simple. I is equal to 0. We are assigning some values. Arithmetic operator, plus, minus, multiplication, asterisk sign, slash, division sign, and percentage is the modulus sign. So we can find out the remainder. Comparisons, we are comparing the two values equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, or greater than equal to, less than equal. Conditional operator, when we are writing two condition and we are joining the two condition, and then so there are two condition are true, then only output we can get it. Or sign, it is the pipe sign. There are two in between, any condition is true, so we can say the value, we can get the output or value is true. Ternary operator is a conditional operator. Again, if look, if age is greater than 18, so we can say you can vote, otherwise you cannot vote. Just like that, if else statement you can write using turning operator. And null forecasting operator, it is explaining afterwards. First, see that program here we are just assigning the two values and giving the result addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus, and see that output over there. Just copy that program. I show the output. Go on Visual Studio, click on File, close the solution, File, New, Project, click on Visual C#, Console Application, here, Calculator. Okay, now I copy that program. We can see that they're assigning int equal to 10, int b equal to 5, int result, we are getting a is equal to a plus b, result 1 a minus b, a into b, a divided b, a percentage b, and console dot write line, where we can give the additions is equal to whatever value, subtraction is there, subtraction is equal to, okay, we are assigning with the placeholder, multiplication is equal to, then division is equal to, then remainder is equal to, and then we are using the read key, console dot. Additions equal to 15, subtraction is equal to 5, multiplication is equal to 15, division is equal to 2, and remainder is equal to 0. So we can see the output of the what I given, the we are assigning the a is equal to 10, b is equal to 5 according to the addition 15, subtraction 5, multiplication 50, division 2, and remainder is 3. If you change the value over there just like that, I stop the program. Okay, now I am assigning the another value over there. Okay, if you want to use the using reading value by the user, so that this program also we can create easily. We are declaring the first upon value a comma b, then we are reading the lines by user, we are just saying the user console dot write line, enter any two numbers, and then a is equal to, we are assigning console dot read line, okay, then again b is equal to console dot read line, okay, and that we can convert with the value integer dot parse, so int dot parse, and we are converting into integers and store the value inside the a, because it is string value when we are reading the line, integer dot parse, and we are converting that value. Now this value we are accepting by the user, so any values we can give there. Suppose we are writing there 43, then divided by suppose 2, so we can give the output 45, 41, 86, division 21. We are not getting the answer in the point because we are not using the the built-in data type integer. So if you want to use the built-in data type integer or upload decimals, that also we can accept. So we can convert with the different, we are using the double a and b, so we can convert the value with the double dot parse, double dot parse, and then we can continue with the enter the value 45, 6. We can see that output. Okay. Break it. Halo, itu ना ऑडियो पे चपाती केला का तयार नाही करणार आहे? संध्याकाळी देणार आहे? हा? हा? पण आताच नाही देऊ ना 10 वाजता. विचारू? चल एवढं झालं. आता पुढचं करायचं आहे. काय बोलतो दिवेश? Hello. See there doubles again we are converting the result value also in double. So we are getting the output in the double. We are using 47 divided by 7. So you can see the decimal point also available in there. Okay. Now you understood how to use the calculation parts. So we can create many programs just like last year we are learning about the C++, Java, area of circle, area of rectangle, etc. Okay. Now next PPT. Here we are using the assignment operator. Okay. So assignment operator where we are assigning the two values, A values, B values, and we are comparing that values. See the program. I am using the file, close the solutions, file, new project, again Visual C#, console applications, and assignment operator. And now here I'm clicking this, paste in the program. See that. If you are using int a is equal to 10, b is equal to 5, and then after that we are comparing if a is equal to b. So we are comparing, we are getting the output a is equal to a display part e is equal to b. Is it right? Now again, so a is not equal to b. So you can write over there if exclamations equal, that is called not equal to b. If not equal to b, so you display over there a is not equal to b. Clear? If a is greater than b, so you display the a is greater than b. Okay. Suppose a is less than b, so we can display over there if a is less than b, console dot write line a is less than b. Okay. And then again console dot read key, console dot read key. Okay, fine. Now we run the program. See that a is not equal to b is greater than b according to our values. It's written over here a10 and a5, right? Suppose user wants to enter the value, how we can write? We declare the first upon, stop that program. You declare the first upon int ab, and then we can display the console dot write line, enter any two number. Okay. Then after that read the line a is equal to int dot parse, convert the value, and then console dot read line. Okay, again same way we can use for b. B is equal to int parse dot console dot read line. Now user types any data. Suppose I type over there 8 and 2, so you say a is not equal to b is greater than b. Again suppose I'm executing 4 and 9, so a is not equal to b is less than b. Suppose right there 4 and 4, so a is equal to b. This way we can get the statement is using how to use a simple if statement. Clear? Next. Now here, how you use the conditional operator and or, that is the represent over there. So we can see the first of one and operator. Now again, same way I'm using over here int a and b. User can type any data over there. We're typing if a is greater than b and a is greater than c. So typing there a is greater than b and c. Okay. Now, first we want the one more value c. We are comparing the three numbers, so we have to use their c also. Okay. Here. Now else if b is greater than c and b is greater than, there is otherwise conditions. Otherwise, the first condition is false. A is not greater than B, is not greater than C. So B is greater than C and B is greater than C. So we can display over there B is greater than A and C. Okay. Now else. Now A is not greater than B and C. B is not greater than A and C. So remaining part is greater than. So else is the last one condition. Else otherwise C is greater than A and B. Okay, fine. So we are running the program. Again, run. Enter any numbers. Suppose 30, 20, 10. So A is greater than B. Again. Ten, 30, 20. Now B is greater than C. Again. Now 10, 20, 30. C is greater than A and B. Got it? Okay. Now you understand how to use the if loop and if else if. Another program is there where decline the ternary operator. Here we are using the one number int number 15. We are just finding out it is a true or not. So boolean operator, it shows the true or false. So bool is number 10 is equal to number is equal to 10. This is the conditions. Equal to means we are comparing the number with the another number. So number is equal to 10, then only it show you true or false. So you display their values, it is true or false. So that the output again. See now I'm declaring their int number 15. Then after that we are comparing with the bool operator is number 10. This is the condition we are giving over there. After that we are giving the true or false, small letters, and then after that console dot read key. Okay, now we are running the program. So we can get the output number 10 is false, it is not equal to. Okay, so just I change the value now 10. Now I run the program again. Now we are getting the output true. That means 10 is equal to 10. Okay, now you understood about how to use the ternary operator. Next, some of the data type convergence. So equally required. Now already we learn about the INT word. So again, data type conversion in C# presented by Bipin Vaity, HOD of SAD, Dr. Ambedkar, Monica based. There are two types of conversions: implicit and explicit. So we have to know afterwards understood about that parse and try-parse also. There is difference between the parse and try-parse. Implicit convergence. That means what? If you are declaring the value in integers and we are want to convert it into float. So here we are writing that int I is equal to 100 and float f is equal to I. That means value we want to assign with the integer value into float. So console.writeLine display the f. It is a float value directly. It show with the decimal. So it means what? It showing you okay, it is implicit conversion, automatic conversion. Okay. Now again, I just copy that part, go on the program, type over there, run the program. You can see the 100 value is converted automatically in the decimal. Okay. Now next program showing you implicit conversion done by the compiler, but where there is a no loss of information if the conversion is done. There is a no possibility of throwing exception during the conversion. Example, when we are converting int to float will not lose any data, no exception will be thrown, is called an implicit conversion. But in a explicit, where we are converting a float to integer, see that output. Here we are writing the float first, float I, and then after that I convert into int I. So we are getting the 100. But some exceptional part it is lost. Suppose float value we are using the decimal point over there. And now we can get the error. So what? It lost the decimal point. So explicit where then we are converting a float to an integer, we lost the fractional part. Also possibility of overflow expression. So then we require the explicit conversion using cast operator. That time we are using the casting point. How to cast? Suppose we want to convert that float to integer. So we just convert the using one keyword int in the bracket. So it convert the integer value. First of all, we have to declare that value with the float f. Then we are converting with the integers and convert that value integer f. Convert that value using method convert to int 32. Suppose int g is a convert dot to int 32 of f, and then we are displaying that value, so it is converted. Got it? Okay, now you understood how to use the convert method, convert object entire to int 32 to int 16 to int 64 over here. Okay. Now next point is there. See there, now conversion string number into integer int dot parse. Now what is the difference between the parse and try parse? See that now here string number is 103G. That is a string. So bool is conversion success. In try was string number out result. So is a conversion success. So console.writeLine I, what is there? Else, that is a e small. Console.enter valid number. Okay, so this output will show you try, success or not. So what is the difference between the pass and try? If the number is in string format, you have two options, pass and try. If the number is in a string format, that means in the double inverted comma we are writing any number, so we have to use their two way conversion, pass or try pass. Pass method throws an exception if it cannot pass the value, and try pass returns the bool, that is, it gives you true or false whether it is succeed or fail. So this is a part, it is over. So I can teach you 5 different C sharp things over there. Now there arrays part, it is there, simple, it is there, arrays in a C sharp. Arrays, advantage of and disadvantage of arrays. What is the arrays? Simple. Arrays, one variable can store many values, that time we use the array. So how you declare the arrays? See that now int open square bracket close square bracket, we are declaring the one variable, and we are declaring the new keyword integer 3. That means we want to declare 3 even numbers. So how you declare their 3 even number? Even numbers 0. We are declaring any numbers value. Even numbers 1, that is 0, 1, 2, that is what? One of the array 3, array 0, array 1, array 2, that is 3 arrays value we are declaring. After that we are displaying only one. If you want to assigning the value array directly, so can you int square bracket open close odd numbers in the curly bracket 1 comma 3 comma 5, that is the way we can use declare the odd numbers, and then we display that. So this is a simple program to declare the array. I show you the output. Wait, copy the program. See now, declaring over there arrays. After that, odd numbers, even numbers, read key. Okay, fine. So I'll show you the number 2, 3. That is means 2, it is your even numbers 2, and odd numbers 1. Clear about that? If you are using the for loop, so we can display all numbers of array. Afterwards, we will see the for loop. That time we show you the how to show the all arrays value. Now next part, it is the comments in C sharp. Single line comments, double slash, multi-line, slash star, star slash, and some XML documentation command we can use the 3 slash. Comments are used to document what the program does and what specific blocks or lines of a code do. That it shows the program inside the programming code what is happening line by line or block wise. So that is why we are using the comments. But C sharp compiler ignores the comments always. To comment or increment two ways. Use the designer keyboard shortcut keys where Control K and Control C or Control K, Control U. So we can give the comment depends upon you. Otherwise, you can Control C, you can uncomment also. Control U, sorry, Control U. Now here in the program we can see that double slash single line comment slash star star slash, that is multi-line comment, and slash slash, that is we are using the tag and we are giving the XML documentation comment. Clear? Now very important thing, control statement. If statement in C sharp, we are controlling on the conditions. If statement, if else, difference, already we learned in the program. Just I go through this program. See that now. Here we are entering the one number. Then after that number we are checking if user number is equal to 1. We are displaying there your number is 1. Then else if is your number is 2, we are displaying there your number is 2. Then else if again user number is equal to 3, so we are displaying over there user number is 3. else we are doing key your number is not between, that is default condition, else your number is not between 1 and 3. This is a simple program. I will show you the output using if statement. The quotes problem is there, so I just use that double inverted comma. When you copy the program from the notepad or wordpad or Microsoft Word, so we can see the Times New Roman double inverted comma, but here they are using the different types of double inverted, that is we are writing in the code. So you have to see the carefully that code when you are typing the large number of coding. So here we are entering the number 45. Okay, so it is not number in between 1 and 3. Again I just run the, when you are pressing 1, so it show you your number is 1. Here and we are pressing 2, so your number is 2. Okay, when you are pressing 3, so your number is 3, but it is not in between. When you are pressing any other numbers, to show you your number is not between 1 and 3. So this is the output of that simple if else if statement. Understood? Next, yeah, two statements over there. User number is equal to 10, or user number is equal to, you are saying your number is 10 or 20. Okay, but when you are writing the and, so your number is 10 and 20, is not possible. Okay, next, switch statement in C#. Switch statement, same thing. What we are, multiple if else statement can be replaced with the switch statement. Before that we are using the if else if, same program we are creating using switch case. So see that switch case. Here we are entering the one number, then enter the value, then we switch that value. Here condition is there, case 10, that means number is equal to 10, so you display that your number is 10, otherwise break and go to the next condition, case 20 colon, that means number is equal to 20, so you're displaying your number is 20, break, that means go to the next conditions, and we are displaying over there case 30, that means number is equal to 30, the number is 30, and default colon, that means all condition is not true, that means default condition is true. All condition means case 10, case 20, case 30, that means number is not equal to 10, not equal to 20, not equal to 30. So default means what? By default, your number is not in between 10, 20 and 30, it is true. So this way we can prove the default conditions. Okay. Enter any number 10, so your number is between 10, sorry, yeah, 10, not compiling properly. Again we are running the program, 30, okay. Just copy the program. We are creating the new project. Charge. Exactly. Huh? One. Hello. तिकडून जाते ओके, काय करू एवढंच बस झालं. बंद करतो. एवढा भेटतो. थोडासा फॉर इच संपून टाकतो. बरोबर काय डिफॉल्ट सी शार्प. अच्छा, लास्टला ब्रेक द्यायचा मला. इसमें भी ब्रेक नहीं निकाले. ओके, चलो.